Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from group 5. We're gonna present about security on Chrome OS. So the first thing, I'm gonna introduce first my team. The first one is Rafi, Ardian, Yusuf, myself. The second one is Rifaldlee, and the third, Inge Khonsak. The first one, computer security. Computer security is basically the protection of computer systems and information from harm, theft, and unauthorized use. This is a process to prevent and detect unauthorized use of your computer system. Security refers to providing system protection for computer system resources such as CPU, memory, disk, software programs, and most importantly, data or information stored in the computer system.
Next is common OS security threats. First is malware. Malware is a short malicious software which includes a range of attack vectors such as viruses, worms, trojans, and rootkits. Malware is injected into a system without owner consent by masquerading as legitimate software. Second is denial of service attack. Denial of service attack is intended to clock system with fake requests so it becomes overloaded and eventually stop serving legitimate requests. Some those attacks, in addition to overwhelming a system resources, can cause damage to the underlying infrastructure. Third is network intrusion. Network intrusion occurs when an individual gains access to a system for improper use. There are several types of network intrusion depending on the type of intruder. First is careless intruders. Second is malicious intruders. Third is masqueraders. And the last one is clandestine users. Fourth is buffer overflows. During the buffer overflow attack, the buffer or other temporary data stores are overflowing with data. When the buffer overflows, the program attempts to write the data may overwrite other memory location containing important information. Next is principles of Chrome OS security. First is deploy defense in depth. Chrome OS believes that they must deploy a variety of defenses of act as a series of bulwarks against an attacker. So they place additional layer of defense to minimize the amount of damage the attacker can cause after compromising the initial layer. Second, make the system safe by default. All Chrome OS features are designed to minimize security risk, so the user is generally not required to fully understand the security implication of using their device. The OS will just pick secure default. Third is don't space goat our user. The web and Android app ecosystem are really huge set of intertwined, semi-compatible implementation of overlapping standards. It is therefore difficult to properly assess risk in the face of such complexity. But this is not the user fault. The fourth is the perfect is the enemy of the good. No security solution is perfect because unforeseen interaction between complex systems may create security holes. So Chrome OS does not allow the search of elusive perfect security to prevent developing and shipping meaningful security improvements now.
Layer of Chrome OS security. Security and the web. The web presents a unique security scenario. Accessing a web page via a browser amounts to executing unstructured code on user's device. However, this code is being executed by system, the web browser, which can take many steps to limit the privilege that untrusted code may hold. This limitation of privilege is an important security concept and key to Chrome OS approach to security. B. Security in the Chrome browser. The Chrome browser, a approaches security the same way that Chrome OS does, by enforcing the principle of least privilege, developing several layers of defense, and having fast automatic updates. The Chrome browser implements a multi-process architecture. This allows separating in different operating system processes. The parts of the browser processing untrusted input, like a web page, and the parts of the browser assessing systems resources or user data. And next, what Chrome OS security means for user. Chrome OS provide protection against non-persistent compromise. These features are enabled by default and protect all Chrome users, including those on Chrome OS. For Chrome OS users, if user device is successfully attacked by a malicious web page or potentially harmful application, all it takes to go back a known good state is a simple reboot. No need to reinstall anything. Chrome OS users can share the device with others without worrying that they will have access to your data. Once you log out, your data is encrypted with a key tied to your password. What Chrome OS security means for organization. The ability of Chrome OS to enforce a known good state for the software stacked on a Chrome OS device simplifies the management of Chrome OS devices for organization. The same feature that ensures code integrity on a Chrome OS device for consumers ensure that a fleet of Chrome OS devices can be reliably managed.
So in conclusion, it can be stated that Chrome OS security doesn't support third-party software. This is a great feature that Chrome OS had. So there's no possibility any external threat can get into Chrome OS. And the writer hopes that Chrome OS security is more open to its user because same as Google Chrome, the entire business model is on ignoring user privacy to target highly personalized ads at them. So that's it for our presentation. We're so sorry if there's a lot of mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.